Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you about Makita circular saw 40 volt mag. This is the new model, it just released. Some country have and some country not yet have it. And I have two models want to show. The left side, the model HS003G, and the right side, the model HS004G. And I want to detail one by one. First, show the model HS003G for the blade diameter 185 to 190 mm, and for the voltage 36 to 40 volt mag. For the rotation speed 6000 per minute. From the box have the special blade effect cut for the number B62022 185 diameter, and for 24 teeth. This is the new. You can see the grease here. I'm not yet tested. Yes, this is mode indicator. This model also have the AWS HGT technology, brushless motor. He also have logo, brushless motor and brake. You can see the body. It's gray. Magnesium. And for the battery, put this side. I want to tell about the special lever. This one, lever lock, and we can adjust 56, 45, and 22.5. And here, it's difficult because I use one hand and one hand on the camera. 0, 15, 22.5, 13, 45, and 56. When I select this on the stopper, I select the 22 and I'm moving it. 22 it stop. It's faster. You can see, 0 and 22 it stop, and I adjust to 45. 45 and it stop. This is easy for beaver. Again, up, easy. And one more. So this 56. You can see. So the top per can adjust only 3 degrees. This is for cutting 0 degree, and this is for 45 degree. And also have battery 40 volt mag 4 ampere and 40 volt mag 2.5. Put this one. So this one already, and then this one. the model HS004G. Blade diameter 185 to 190 mm. It's the same blade diameter and the same voltage and the same rotation speed, but different only the lever adjust. And this one also have clamp screw. When we adjust bevel, we have to use the clamp screw also. I'm loosening it. Yeah, and we can adjust bevel with stopper only two, 48 and 45. Yeah, I select the 45 first, so I move it. This one, this is this. Oh, okay. Then test it. Yeah, 45, and it stop. You can see I select here. This one 45, and move it. 45, it stop. But when you use it, when you cutting, have to tightening it. If you're not tightening it, it's dangerous. But in this video, I try to show and use one hand. Yeah, 48, and I move it. Up. Yeah, you can see 48. It have the same blade code number 22 teeth. AWS, brushless and bright. Yeah, I put the battery. Yeah, before use it, you have to read the instruction manual. Yeah, before I make the video, I also see the instruction manual. Yes, have to. And this paper is show how to use AWS mode with the vacuum. For this screw, use to fastening with hook. But this is the new sample, so without hook. This one also same for connect with hook. I just open the box and I'm not yet put the vacuum nozzle, dust nozzle, and this one. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment, please let me know. The next video I will show you about drill and impact driver 44 mag.